Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Kamal FX, also known as Disabilians. So I want to break down this trade I took yesterday on London session, and it gave me 1 is to 15 risks to reward, 1 is to 15. So I want to break it down. And when it comes to my strategy, first of all, what you need to have on your chart is this indicator. This indicator. So if you need this indicator, you go to your indicator. When you come to your indicators, you search for it. Here is the name FXN Asian Session Range. FXN Asian Session Range. You search for it. I know a lot of you will be thinking, oh, this indicator, it will be showing you where to buy and where to sell. No, that's not the use of this indicator. This indicator only indicate the session you are trading on. When there's no this indicator, you don't know whether you are trading on what Asian session, London session, or New York session. So because of this indicator, it will help you to know the session you are currently trading on. You can see this A represent Asian, this L represent London, and you can see N over here represent what? New York. So that's the purpose of the indicator. It has no any purpose again. And let me show you my strategy. First of all, you move to your what? 1 hour time frame. When you get to your 1 hour time frame, this is what we only look for. We are only looking for this. We need candles. Even if they are what? The same candles like it. What we only need is the sweep. What we only need is a sweep. Week to week sweep. The weeks must sweep each other. Like this. This is what we need on the 1 hour time frame. Whether it is Asian session, New York session, or what? London session. You can see this is what we need on the what? 1 hour time frame. We only trade on the 1 hour time frame. And before you go to your 1 hour time frame, before you move to your 1 hour time frame, you go to your daily time frame. You go to your what? Daily time frame. You see the direction of the market. You go to your what? Daily time frame. You know the direction of. Let me just delete everything and we'll analyze it how I was able to analyze and get the trade on that day. You can see this was what? 30th March, 31st, 1st February, and 1st April. So you can see here the market was what? Down. It was downtrend, and it give what? Simple what? Pullback. So because the market is still on downtrend, in order for the market to be in a bullish trend, it must what? Take out this place. So because the market, even the market was giving us what? Bullish candles, but because it was not able to take out this place, it was still what? Bearish. And you can see on that day, the candle started forming bearish candle. So after that, I know that my candle was bearish candles that is forming. So when I went to the 1 hour time frame, what I only need is the market is already bearish over there. So what I need is I need my confluence to follow the trend. So I was not on the Asia session. I was on the what? London session. Asian is midnight. And in Africa, most of our time only we only we are not on Asia session. It's always London session that we are on. So when I came on the London session, you can see what I draw earlier. You can see it over there. If the market is going down, this is what you will see. If the market is what downtrend, this is what you see. If the market is downtrend, this is what you see. This is what you see. And you can see here is the sweep. So we are looking for the sweep over here because we already analyzed our chart and our market is what? Bearish. So we are only looking for what? Bearish what? Moves. When we say bearish, the market is going down. And you can see London session here. Here was a bullish candle and what? Bearish candle was sweep it. Let me close this indicator and we will see it well. You can see, can't you see it over here? The market what? This was a bullish candle, and this candle what? Sweep it. It swept. It swept it. You see, so it, after we get our sweep, what we need is to what? Go to a lower time frame. When you go to your lower time frame, let's say this is the sweep. Let's say this is the sweep. So when you get your sweep, This is the sweep. So when you get after you got your sweep, you come and mark the high that caused the what? The sweep. You can see when you go you scale to 5 minutes time frame. When you scale to 5 minutes time frame, this will be the sweep like this. And the high that caused the sweep, you mark it. After that, you place your what? Limit order like this. You can target this place. You can target this place, but mostly I advise people to target the high of the sweep. After that, you can target 1:3, 1:3, and market will come back and do what? Market will come back, retest, and what? Boom. And follow your direction. And you hit what? TP. Simple as that. That's the strategy. So, after we get our sweep over here, after getting the sweep, what did we do? We scale to our what? Now we already have it in mind that this is what we are looking for on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what we will get. You can see, can't you see? Here is a sweep. Here is a sweep. And which high that caused the sweep? Where is the high that caused the sweep? I know a lot of people will say here that caused the sweep. Well, you are correct. You are very correct. But don't forget, this was a high. It caused a low. This low also caused a high. This one also caused a low. And you can see here, it caused like this before the sweep. So here is the high that caused the what? The sweep. Or here is the low that caused the sweep. The high or the low that caused the what? The sweep. And you can see it here. After the market breakout, what did it do? It came back and what? Retest. And that was where I was able to. After a breakout, I put my what? Limit order like this. I place my limit order like this. I place my limit order and target like this. Uh, and you can see, let's on this. And the one that gave me the confluence to take the trade is because was that whenever I'm taking a trade, I want to see the low, the down there, the direction where the market is going to. Whether there was a what New York session that is not yet stripped, and you can see there was a New York session over here that did not get that did not strip. So that was my what target. Market to come and what sweep it. And you can see this New York also give us direction to what? Buy. You can see the sweep over here. It gave us what? Direction to buy. It gave us direction to buy. You can see the seed. So my target was market to come and what? Flip it. And I was targeting it. But when I get 1 is to 15, I was okay. So when I get 1 is to 15, I was okay with it. And let me delete this one. And you see, most of you say, market did not get to it. Okay. It depends on how I place my order, but it 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 break out with a week. So let's, you know, so you can see my so it's over here. The problem is coming from this place. Mm. Mm. But I was able to catch 1 is to 15. I was able to catch 1 is to 15 before market moved in that direction. That was it was because of the magnet. That was why. And you can see. Uh-huh. I was trying to do it. Meanwhile, because of the magnet over there. That was why. And you can see 1 is to 15. Mm-mm. I was able to get it. 1 is to 15. And you can see 1 is to what? 15. Simple trade. 1 is to 15. Simple trade like that. Just using my simple strategy. And those of you who, if like you mark, This place has the high that caused the low. This is where your you see, market breakout. It didn't retest, and this was a new scandal. Look at the stop loss that you would have have. Look at the stop loss. Huge stop loss. Out of 15 risks to reward, you would have been having 5 risks to reward, and it's not also bad. It is not also bad. Guys, if you like this video and you want me to be dropping interesting video like this, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. See you next time.